have dealt with Rick once Rick got onto his crazy train? How would he helped him along on the crazy train, or would he have snapped him out of it?
No, I hope he, I mean, it just sort of depends. Oh shit, thank you, Gab. What? Oh, you know, I don't know, man. You know, like, I don't know where, you know, the shows, you know, I don't know where they would have taken Shane. I don't know how he would have. At the end of the day, I think one of the most telling things about him was, you know, not just in killing Otis, but the way that Shane was with Rick at Herschel's farm after Carl had been killed. And he was right there for Rick. And he told him, like, you need to pull yourself together. You need to be this boy's dad. And because I love this fucking boy, and I love you, and you need to do that. And Shane's love for Rick, I feel like, never faltered. Yeah, he slept with his old lady, but he got himself into something that he couldn't get himself out of. But there was always an extreme and intense love for Rick. Not like a, you know, Brokeback, you know. You know, they made this thing, I wish they'd release it, but they made this thing, the editors of season 2 made this thing called Brokeback Dead. And it was all these like edited scenes between me and Rick. And I swear to God, I was like, I wasn't playing it that way. Me and Andy always joked around because there was this scene right in that compartment where Carl was shot, and I'm like wiping the blood off his face. and we were doing the scene, and I remember I went into, it don't matter, but when we were doing the scene, I was supposed to kind of pull his head to mine, which it said the script was supposed to touch heads, and I was telling him to be strong. And Andy was like, sort of resisting me on the day. So I said, I was like, I whispered to him, I'm like, come here. It's like the most romantic shit ever, dude. So now, to this day, whenever Andy and I talk to each other, we always end it with, come here.